Hey everyone, it's your travel agent David, and this is going to be a fun video. We just docked in Punta Arenas, Costa Rica, which is right behind me. Punta Arenas is a vibrant coastal region and is a major port city situated on a long, narrow peninsula along Costa Rica's Pacific coast. It serves as a primary gateway for both tourism and trade, making it a dynamic area with a blend of historical significance, bustling cruise activity, and active real estate developments. Punta Arenas is one of the most active ports in the region. Visitors docking at the Muley de Quirós cruise port are immediately greeted by the local culture. So just steps from the pier is the Paseo de los Turistas, a lively seaside boulevard lined with street vendors, local arts and crafts, and cafes. The promenade is famous for being the birthplace of what they call the Churchill, which is a traditional Costa Rican dessert made of shaved ice, flavored syrup, and condensed milk. Now, we are on our way to do the Sloths, Jaguars, and Macaws Sanctuary, Mangrove Boat Tour, and Country Drive Tour excursion. So let's get going. There's a monkey over there.
Really good to be a
That's what we're looking at. Can you find him? We just took about a 40-minute bus ride through the backcountry. That was a country tour. Just basically saw a bunch of trees and some sugarcane farms. And we have now made it to the sanctuary for the sloths, macaws, jaguars, and other animals. Just saw a small squirrel in the trees, but it's too far away and too small for me to get it. So that's the first sighting that we've had. I'm going to start looking for some sloths and macaws. I can hear the macaws. Then they got the jaguars and a couple other animals too. So looking forward to it. That's the friendliest leaf I've ever seen. It's just waving to everybody as it passes by. In the cages here, these sloths, they've been rescued but from a very abusive situation. So they keep them in the cages so they feel more protected. Guide was saying that when they're in the trees, they will come down to the bathroom and then go back up, and it could take anywhere from a week to a week and a half for that to happen. That's some good bladder control. When this rescue opened up, none of this vegetation was here. They've actually planted everything and helped it nurture it to where it's at today. This reserve has several things like this that are designed for the macaws that are free. Some are free and some are caged. And what they'll do is they'll come here and then actually do visitation with the macaws that are in cages. And they're very social. So here's another example. They got this one here, and they got that little toy there to come visit the macaws that are right there. Oh, and Gatorade. It's the thirst quencher in Costa Rica. Now, Gatorade, you owe me some money. That is the kitchen where they prep all the food for all the animals, and then that building right there is the medical center. if you can see the trail, but that trail goes all the way through the dirt work. It's pretty impressive. And the tree behind me, if you see the trails that are running down the branches, those are termite trails. Check them out. They're going down the trees to get to the ground where the organic materials are at. All these macaws have been rescued from people capturing them illegally and trying to sell them. Want to know what they sound like? Check this out. If you have any questions about coming out here or taking a cruise to Costa Rica, let me know. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.